is my love. My heart lies on him and will not remove. It will not remove. Oh, for all that I have done, oh, I never will forget me love. Anachie, for Anachie Gordon, he's bonny and he's rough. He'd entice any woman that ever he saw. He'd entice any woman, and so he has done me. Oh, I never will forget me love. Anachie. Down came her father, and he's standing by the door, saying, Jeannie, you're trying the tricks of a whore. You care nothing for a man who cares so very much for thee. You must marry Lord Sultan and leave Anachie. For Anachie Gordon, he's barely but a man. Oh, although he may be pretty, but where are his lands? Oh, the Sultan's lands are broad, and his towers they run high. You must marry Lord Sultan and leave Anachie. With Anachie Gordon, I'd beg for my bread, and before I'll marry Sultan, it's gold to my head. With gold to my head and gowns French to the knee, and I'll die if I don't get me love Anachie. And you that are my parents to church, you made me bring, but unto Lord Sultan I'll never bear a son, to a son or a daughter. I'll never bow my knee, and I'll die if I don't get me love Anachie. Jeannie was married, and from church she was brought home. And when she and her maidens so merry should have been, when she and her maidens so merry should have been, she went into her chamber and she cries all alone. Come to bed now, Jeannie, me honey and me sweet, for to style you my mistress, it would be so sweet. Be it mistress or Jeannie, it's all the same to me. But in your bed, Lord Sultan, I never will lie. And down came her father, and he spoke with renown, saying, you that are her maidens, go loosen off her gowns. But she fell down to the floor, so close down by his knee, saying, Father, look, I'm dying for me love Anachie. The day Jeannie married was the day that Jeannie died, and the day that young Anachie came came home on the tide, and down came her maidens, all wringing out their hands, saying, Lord, it's been so long, you've been so long on the sands, oh so long on the sands, oh so long upon the flood. They have married your Jeannie, and now she lies dead. You that are her maidens, come take me by the hand, and take me to the chamber that me love she lies in, and he's kissed her cold lips till his heart